Hi everyone, welcome to another of my unboxing videos. Today we will see what's inside this box. I just received it. So today we will see what inside in the Crew 2 Motor Nation Collector's Edition that is exclusive on Uplay. So I received this box, and inside we have this. We have the Crew 2, so here we will find the collector's edition, and also we have this, and this is a receipt. So here we have the gold edition of the game. Nothing else. Ubisoft Store exclusive. This edition we will find it only on Uplay. So we have, as I mentioned, the gold edition of the game that includes the season pass, but let's open this. To see what we will find here. And it opens like this. Come on. And here we have a picture with the crew, vehicle, motorbikes, airplanes, boats, motocross bikes and buggies. And here we have the Motor Nation, the Crew 2 license plates. It's very nice. And here we have, I don't know what it is. So here we have some stickers and the map. We will see it later. And of course we have the Steelbook that is exclusive in this edition. That is very nice. So we have the collector's box, the Steelbook, stickers, the game map, the Motor Nation license plate, and the gold edition that includes the season pass inside. But now let's take a closer look. And let's start. Let's see the license plate. Interesting. Motor Nation, the Crew 2. We have boat, motocross, the buggy, the city here, and an airplane up here, in the USA flag. It's something interesting they add in this edition. Actually, it's very good. And then let's see this, the Crew 2. I like this black and yellow. And guys, this is very good. I love this color. And we have some stickers with a skull from a bird, a thunder. And welcome to Motor Nation, the Crew 2 roadmap. Okay, so we have a nice picture like poster with a Chevrolet Camaro, I think, and airplanes. Yeah, it's a very good poster with motocross and the boat Jaguar Vector. This is very good. And back we have all the map that we can travel: Detroit, New York, Miami, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, and San Francisco. Headquarters, rival events, live extreme series events. I played the closed beta. I liked the game. The map is huge, but you can travel very fast because you can change from your car to your airplane and drive everywhere faster. I like this color. And then here we have the Crew 2 Gold Edition, online connection required. Just wait to open this. Okay, let me see the codes. And yeah, we have the Deluxe Edition and the Gold Edition codes. In Gold Edition, and of course we have a manual of the game, the Crew 2, and of course we have the disc. Welcome to Motor Nation. If you like racing games, then you must buy this. And then let's go to this exclusive steelbook of the game, the Crew 2. We have a Corvette Z06, I think. This is the old one, maybe 2004, 2006 model. And back we have a motorbike and landmarks from the town, from the cities, like New York, Las Vegas. It's very good. I like, of course, the Crew 2, the title, and at the side we have also the Crew 2, and back we have also landmarks, pictures from the cities. And here we have a boat, a speedboat. We have Porsche, I think this is GT3, and back here this must be Ford Raptor F150. Definitely this is monster. And inside we have a nice picture from the road and the Route 66. Okay guys, the steelbook, it's very nice. Oh, this combined, I didn't saw that the first time. This is very good. Nice steelbook for the game. And let me show you also this, the Crew 2 collector's box. But inside we have this beautiful picture with all of our vehicles. This is very nice. Very good edition that is exclusive on Uplay. And that's what inside in the Crew 2 Collector's Edition, I think Motor Nation edition, that is exclusive on Uplay. I must say that you must buy this edition. It's very nice. I bought this from about 88 euro. And inside we will find the collector's box with the license plate, a poster, and on one side and the other we have the map of the game, 4 stickers, the game, this incredible steelbook that is exclusive in this collector's edition, and the gold edition that includes downloadable code for the season pass and the deluxe edition of the game. Also, as I mentioned, I played the closed beta and I liked the game very much, and it's a very good game from Ubisoft, but this is very nice, a very good collector's edition, and in a very good price, 89 euro. It's very nice. Go and get it before this gets sold out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment and share, and see you at my next video.